Hello students and welcome back. This is Swati Pant and today I will be teaching you class 3rd English grammar chapter number 20 simple past tense. Students, so far we have already discussed about simple present tense and present continuous tense. Both of them were in present. They were talking about the present. But now we will be discussing about the past in simple past tense. So now let us start the chapter. Look at the following sentences. First, the teacher asked me a difficult question. Second, I gave the correct answer. Third, the teacher felt happy. So, the words printed in bold letters like asked, gave, felt are all verbs, and these verbs are in simple past tense. So, in simple past tense, we use the past tense of the verb. In some cases, the past tense is formed by adding ed to the root form of the verb, like the ask becomes asked. In other cases, give becomes gave, like in the second sentence, and feel became felt. So, all the three asked, gave and felt are in the past tense form. So, what are the rules of simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to express actions that took place in the past. So, always whenever we are making a sentence using simple past tense, the incident should be of the past. We should be talking about the past, not present, not future, but only and only past. The actions expressed in the past, we use simple past tense for them. And also in the simple past tense, we use the past tense of verb. What is the past tense of verb? For example, ask became asked. So this asked is the past tense of the verb. Give became gave and feel became felt. So all the words got converted into the past tense. Now let us understand it better with the help of this exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. So in bracket the words have been given and we have to convert these words into simple past tense to fill in the blanks. First, we dash the picnic very much. In bracket there is enjoy. So what will be the past of enjoy? Past tense form. It will be enjoyed. We will add ed to enjoy to change it into past tense. So we enjoyed the picnic very much. Second, mother dashed the flask with fresh drinking water. In bracket there is fill. So the fill will get converted into filled. Mother filled the flask with fresh drinking water. Third, the children dashed the zoo last week, and in bracket there is visit. So the children visited the zoo last week. The teacher dashed the children to stand in a queue. In bracket there is order. So we will convert it to ordered. Ed will be added. Fifth, I dash with my grandparents for 2 days. Stay. So it will become stayed. I stayed with my grandparents for 2 days. Sixth, we dash for you for 15 minutes. Wait. We waited for you for 15 minutes. Seventh, the dog dashed loudly at the stranger. Bark. It will be barked. Ed will be added to bark to convert it into past tense. Eighth, Sunil dashed the ball into the goal. Kicked the ball into the goal. The children dashed their books, bracket open. The children opened their books. Ed will be added. And the last one, we dash at the door twice. Knock. We knocked at the door twice. So this exercise is over, students. I will be sharing another exercise. One more exercise is there in this chapter and you have to complete that as well. In case you have any doubts, you can let me know. Thank you.